Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. The essential travel tips are destination for you today. It's the top 20 how to plan the perfect itinerary for 2025. Planning the perfect travel itinerary can make or break your trip. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time explorer, organizing your travel experience can ensure that you make the most of every moment. A well-structured itinerary not only helps you see all the must-visit spots, but also allows room for spontaneity, relaxation, and unexpected adventures. The process starts with understanding your travel goals, whether it's adventure, cultural immersion, or simply relaxation. From there, a little research and careful planning can help you choose the best destinations, activities, and local experiences to suit your interests. The key is to strike the right balance between seeing the iconic attractions and discovering hidden gems, while also leaving space for downtime. This guide will take you step by step through the planning process, from setting your budget and booking flights, to creating a flexible daily schedule and packing for the trip. With these tips, you'll be equipped to create an itinerary that not only fits your travel style, but also ensures a seamless, unforgettable experience from start to finish. Ready to dive into the details? Let's get planning. Here's your top 20 how to plan the perfect itinerary for 2025. 1. Define your travel goals. What's the purpose of your trip? Adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, food exploration, or nightlife. This helps prioritize activities and experiences that align with your preferences. Example, if you love nature, plan hikes and scenic spots. If you're into history, focus on museums and landmarks. 2. Research your destination, read travel blogs, watch vlogs, and check guidebooks. Learn about must-see attractions, local events, and unique experiences. Check out hidden gems beyond tourist hotspots. 3. Set a budget. Determine your total budget and break it down into categories: flights and transport, accommodation, food, activities, and entrance fees, shopping, and souvenirs. Consider using budgeting apps like Trail Wallet or Splitwise. 4. Prioritize must-see attractions. List down top 5 to 10 must-visit places in order of importance. Check their opening hours, entrance fees, and best times to visit. Use platforms like Google Reviews, TripAdvisor, and Instagram to gauge popularity. 5. Consider travel time and distances. Check Google Maps to estimate time between locations. Avoid backtracking by planning visits to nearby attractions on the same day. Example, in Paris, visiting the Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum on the same day makes sense, but adding Versailles may be too much. 6. Create a flexible daily schedule. Don't pack too many activities in one day. Plan key attractions in the morning, leaving the afternoon for relaxation or exploration. Example itinerary format: morning, sightseeing and major attractions; afternoon, museum visit or light activity; evening, local food experience or nightlife. 7. Book flights and accommodations. Early flights. Use Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Hopper to find deals. Set price alerts and book 2 to 3 months in advance for the best rates. Accommodation. Compare prices on Booking.com, Airbnb, or Hostelworld. Consider location. 8. Check visa and entry requirements. Some countries require a visa, vaccination proof, or travel insurance. Use iVisa or official embassy websites to check requirements. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. 9. Use travel apps and maps navigation. Google Maps, Rome to Rio itinerary planning. TripIt, Google Travel Translation. Google Translate currency conversion. XE Currency 10. Plan for local transportation. Research the best way to get around. Public transport, cost-effective in most cities. Ride shares, convenient for short distances. Car rentals, ideal for road trips. Walking and biking, great for cities like Amsterdam or Kyoto. Download offline maps if needed. 11. Look for city passes and discounts. Many cities offer tourist passes that save money on attractions and transport. Examples: London Pass, New York City Pass, Eurail Pass. 12. Mix popular spots with hidden gems. While famous landmarks are must-sees, local spots provide a unique experience. Explore local markets, lesser-known hiking trails, and small-town cafes. Ask locals or check niche travel blogs for recommendations. 13. Schedule activities by time of day. Visit popular attractions early. Schedule outdoor activities in the morning for good lighting and cooler weather. Enjoy night markets, bars, or cultural shows in the evening. Example: in Bangkok, visit the Grand Palace in the morning and enjoy a river cruise or street food tour at night. 14. Account for time zones and jet lag. If crossing multiple time zones, give yourself 1 to 2 days to adjust. Avoid booking activities immediately after landing. Take time to recover. Use the Timeshifter app for jet lag management. 15. Make restaurant reservations for popular spots. Reserve tables weeks in advance using OpenTable or Resai. Research must-try dishes and street food spots. Ask locals where they eat. It's often better than touristy places. 16. Prepare for weather conditions. Check the weather 1 to 2 weeks before your trip and pack accordingly. Bring raincoat, umbrella for unpredictable weather. Layered clothing for temperature changes. Sunscreen and hats for hot climates. 17. Keep copies of important documents. Make digital and physical copies of passport, flight, and hotel bookings, travel insurance, emergency contacts. Store digital copies on Google Drive or Dropbox. 18. Have a backup plan. Some activities may be closed due to weather or maintenance. Always have an alternative attraction or activity. Example: if a boat tour is canceled, explore a nearby town or museum instead. 19. Learn basic local phrases. Knowing a few words in the local language can go a long way. Learn basic phrases like hello, goodbye, thank you, how much is this? Where is the bathroom? Use Google Translate or Duolingo to practice. 20. Stay safe and be aware. Research common tourist scams in the area. Keep your valuables secure with an anti-theft backpack. Know emergency numbers and nearest hospitals. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Have a nice trip.